Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how can working smarter help you earn more money. Returns on investment aren't guaranteed, but we believe everyone should be given the opportunity to make them. Investing is for everyone. Funding is for everyone. And seeing returns on investment is for everyone. Before we can enter the world of millionaires, we must first understand what will help us make and spend money, and in order to do so, we must first understand two key elements: assets and liabilities. Assets can be anything of value owned by individuals. These are valuable items that can be used to earn money, save money, or store value. Liabilities, on the other hand, is something a person or company owes, usually a sum of money. Thus, assets are the items that you own, whereas liabilities are the debts you owe to others. Assets will help you make money and liabilities will make you spend money. For example, purchasing a car or a home should be based on a need and done only when you can afford it. When your source of income is hampered, buying these things on an ME basis will place you in deep financial trouble. Now we'll look at some of the strategies used by millionaires to avoid financial difficulties and increase their wealth. Here are 7 famous sources of income used by millionaires to avoid financial difficulties and increase their wealth. The self-made millionaire not just have one but multiple income streams. 65% of self-made millionaires had 3 or more streams of income. In next few videos we will be giving more such information. So like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for all latest videos.